What is up, you guys? It's your boy Trucker Brandon here, and today I'm bringing you guys another brand new video. Let's go. I got my wife behind the camera. You want to show yourself, baby? So I actually got a text message later, just right now, saying that the truck was ready, but we have some things to do. Right now I'm on my way to a dealership because I might be trading in my Ford F-150 for another one. I know. Why are you doing that?
Exactly.
So I'm doing. The only reason why I'm trading it is for the fact that where I live, it snows. And when I bought the truck, I was kind of excited about buying it. That I didn't really think about the snow. So my truck is rear-wheel drive. It's not 4x4. So I'm gonna just trade it in for a newer one, but get it 4x4. So right now we're headed to the dealership. It's like, shows it's 38 minutes away, so I'm gonna do that. And so from there, we're probably, my dad's gonna call us. He's gonna drop off his car at the dealership too. So it's gonna be a busy day today. So today we have a lot of things to do. I have to go over here, put the order on the truck, or see if any other state has it, and then if they do, then they'll probably ship it out over here. So stay tuned on that. Today is the video where I pick up my semi truck from the shop. Yes, I know it's been quite some time now. You know, it's been
2 weeks.
2 weeks, exactly 2 weeks. So today is Thursday. Today's Thursday, October 24th. I was supposed to get the truck 2 days ago or 3, but it's okay. You know, that's what happens when you run your own business. Not everything is always gonna be perfect. You know, they actually found some broken parts in the motor that I had to get fixed. So I told them, hey, do your thing, just let me know when the truck is ready. And they were like, hey, they just texted me today. They were like, hey, it's cool. So I was like, all right. We have my baby girl in the back. It was actually pretty cold till this morning. We actually woke up pretty early because we're gonna go eat some breakfast. So stay tuned, guys. We'll probably pick up the camera once we get back to the dealership. So yeah, deuces. Yo guys, so we're here at the dealership. We're gonna see what they got around. I'm looking for a single cut, another one.
They got the Mustangs over
We
there.
got the Mustangs right there. Those
Oh
things
shoot.
look good. I don't know why, but that yellow Mustang really came out.
These are so nice, but if only they were not electric.
I think I'm gonna have to order the goddamn truck. It's all Forders.
Yeah, I don't see a single
I
cab.
don't like that front in the 2024s. 24s. Alright guys, so we didn't make a purchase, but we are checking out this one right here. This is a long bed though, and I wanted a single cab. Well, this is a single cab. This is a 2025, I think. But there's some guy that ordered it, and he kind of backed out from the deal. So I kind of was like, well, cool, I'll take it then. So I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna trade my other truck for it. It's kind of what it is, but it's gonna be what's the color, babe?
It's like a really dark blue.
It's like like a dark blue and black. It's really nice. And he said I'll be here December, so what I'm gonna do is just wait until the truck comes out from the shop, bring it here, get an estimate of how much they're gonna give me for it, and if everything goes as planned, we'll probably do the trade. Actually, I really like it. The only thing is that these trucks don't come in XLT. They only come in XL, so that's gonna be something I have to get used to. But I wanted the heated seats, I wanted the remote start, but it is what it is. What you think of it, babe? You approved?
We'll see.
Alright guys,
When the other truck gets here.
deuces.
There goes baby girl out of the shop.
I know my wife just recorded me picking up the truck. Yes, we had officially picked up the truck from the shop. So it's back to the yard. Look at that. Oh yeah, come on, let's go. I'll paint it up. Looks fabulous. So it took them a little bit longer than what I was expected. Said a week to said like a week and a half, and it almost was 2 weeks, but they did find some other stuff that was kind of going wrong with the motor, so they got that fixed and everything. So at the end of the day, it worked out just fine. Got this truck back, ready to roll. All right guys, so now the truck has a full brand new overhaul. It's ready to work. So all I gotta do is just let my boss know, hey, I'm back and rolling, and I should be back hopefully tomorrow, depending how everything is, and see how this bad girl works. The mechanic did say I have to take it back in a week, just so they can go over it again, make sure there's no loose bolts, nothing loose, make sure there's no leaks or anything. But she drove like a champ. Sounds a lot more different, so you know, it's kind of different to me because I know this truck was really loud before I had an overhaul. But hey, it's all that matters. Now it's just time to get back to the grind, work hard, and see what it goes on from there. Yeah, so probably the next thing I will do is probably fix the heater on this truck, so keep tuned on that. Hopefully in the next week to 2 weeks. I never showed you guys my pop's truck. I never showed you guys my second truck or my brother's. So I mean, here goes this. So this is actually my second truck. I need to fix it as well. This one needs to get interior done. So it's a classic 01 Freightliner classic mid roof. So my plans with this truck is actually haul material on it. I'm planning on hauling material on that truck, keep that one to what I'm doing right now. There goes my brother's truck, T800, badass truck. And then but not least, so this truck right now is parked, but it's gonna be my dad's Pete. He actually put it in forwards, I don't know why. So I feel like I could get you guys a good angle, but probably won't. So he also has it pretty sick, you know, big stacks. And all right, now you already know, can't be rolling like that, so you know, we're always rolling clean. So I think the only thing we're waiting on this one is some new rims and some tires, because we only got 4 right now. It's like a parked truck. So that one, that box, my brother's actually planning on making that one into a dump truck. So just, you gotta figure out what goes on in life and go on from there. You know, opportunities come up that you can't pass up, and it just goes on from there. But yeah guys, I actually got my truck back. Feels good. I drove it, amazing. Time just to let it break it in. The guy said drive it how I pretty much drove it, but I don't want to really drive it that hard. Either way, I never drove it that hard. So yep, that's pretty much everything. Probably the next thing will be the AC heater, and then also changing out that tank ASAP. Man, I really gotta stop saying them, huh? So yeah guys, hopefully I get a load tomorrow, put this girl back into work. I started getting some, not issues, they're not really issues, but some concerns I did have was that when I was driving it home, well, to the yard, it was getting hot. It was getting hot. And my thing is, because I had the fan on, so I had turned on the fan, had it running, and it was still kind of in the same spot. It wasn't going up or down. So I was like, hey, what was going on? So I called the mechanic. He was like, run it, bring it back if it's still running and getting hot. So that's what I'm gonna do. Check tomorrow. If I do end up going to work, check and keep an eye on that. And then other than that, just go on from there. Probably some new plans on this truck will probably be some new lights. I do need to get a new hood, because this hood is kind of cracking. Got a crack right there, another crack right here. So it's gonna be a little process that I have to do, but it's fine by me. You know, this truck has always been working, never has let me down. So I'm hoping with this new overhaul, everything going as planned, hopefully, and I really am hoping everything goes good. But yeah, guys, looking some leaks around here. Wonder where that could be from. Is it the antifreeze line? It's coming from over there, but I don't see no leaks. Oh, could probably be that clamp. I don't know, guys. So, I mean, I like the paint. I mean, it's pretty much the same Detroit color. So you guys can kind of see it, you know, Detroit color, blue, baby blue, or I don't know how you guys will call it, that blue. So yeah, guys, so pretty much this is pretty much a video of me getting the truck back, keeping you guys an update. Other than that, I think that this might be one of the shortest videos I've ever made, because it was just me getting the truck. It's here now, and hopefully I might bring you guys new content here shortly once I'm back at work. See what you guys really want to do. You guys want another day in the life, or actually in the life, like when I wake up to when I go to work. I have a cord I have to send back to the shop that sent me the parts, the injectors. So I'm gonna go do that right now. I'm gonna send that back, and then that should be the end of the day. I was planning on taking the tank now to get fixed, but too much expenses, and you know, I can't be having the truck parked a lot, because then I have to come back, drop this tank, and then put the other one, and then take off the other tank, get it fixed too, because it has some, just pretty much a cleanup inside, just make sure it doesn't have any metals inside for the new injectors. But I'll just do that later on, probably next week, 2 weeks from now, while the truck is now in the other shop getting the AC and heater done. I know how I was talking about the tank that was in a way. Well, things have changed. I kind of just made up my mind last minute. I was like, I'm already here, already spending the money I'm spending. So right now my dad's in front of me, and you probably can't even see. He's right in front. He has a tank, so we're just gonna do the driver tank as of right now, because the driver tank is the one that's more beat up, because I think that my truck used to haul asphalt, or was doing material or something, and it had the half and half on the gallons. So we're gonna do that. So we're taking it to the guy right now. We're currently probably like 9 minutes away, 6 minutes away. We're 6 minutes away, so we're gonna take that over. He say he probably has it done in a day or two, depending on how busy he is. So get that. I already let my dispatchers know that I'm ready to go back to work, and we should go on from there. I'm actually excited to get back on the road. Been actually, I don't know, I've been missing driving the 10 speed. You know, you get used to it for so long that you just really want to be behind the wheel. So I might work 4 or 5 days, probably a week with the truck, like how it is right now with the tank it has, and then one of the days off, or if I get a day off, then I'll use that day to slap in that tank. So I might be posting that video too, so keep in lookout. It might not be as long, probably this video won't even be that long either, but keep a lookout on that next coming video. It might do the fuel tank change on the truck. So yeah, so my dad is right now currently having my old parts that we picked up from the shop. So he has my pistons, the head, and the oil pump. So I just delivered the injectors, so they're on the way back to the company I bought it from. If you guys are looking for any overhauls or anything, it's not a sponsor or anything, so look up ATL Diesels. They give good prices on overhauls, the full kits and everything. I'm also gonna put down in the description down below, or I might just put it right here, edit it here, the shop I came to. So if you guys are from Denver, Brian or anywhere here looking for a mechanic. He gets down. He pretty got down pretty quick. Told me like a week and a half. He actually got it done in pretty much a week and a half. So I'll put that up him. His name is Larry. So you know, it's always good business. He did a good job, and I might take the truck back to get something else done to it. I don't know yet. So, but he told me, he's like, you know what, work the truck as much as you can right now, but once you have the time and you're back up, you know, hit me up and I'll be here. And I was like, cool. So we're gonna do that. So guys, yes, I think this might be the end of the video now, for sure, because I'm just gonna drop this off and then we'll probably head home, probably get something to eat, probably just go home and relax and see what they send for tomorrow. Hopefully I get something to work, because your boy's trying to get that money again. You know, I've been parked for a week and a half. I'm not gonna say it's nothing bad being parked, because I enjoyed the time I was home with my daughter and my wife. It was actually amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and doses.